What's up everyone, welcome back. This is Raj from P2 Media. Last week we covered how to install WordPress onto a server with cPanel. This week we're going to cover what you can do if you come across a critical error on your WordPress site. So let's get to it. Alright, so this is a website that I did for a friend of mine who owns a convenience store out in Montreal. I did make this website a few years ago and I did not really touch it or access it ever since. Now recently with this coronavirus, he asked me to add some adjusted business hours to the site. So when I went to the site was working. So I'm like, okay, great. So I went to log in, but I got this error. It says there has been a critical error on your website. Please check your site admin email inbox for instructions. Now normally this would be fine, but I had a second issue on this occasion where I no longer had access to the email account that it sent the instructions to. So I had to figure out how do I gain access back into the admin panel. So I decided to give something a try, which did end up working. So we'll go through that right now. Basically what you want to do is go to cPanel, log into your cPanel. Once you're logged in, you want to go to File Manager. You want to go to the directory where the site is. It's probably under public HTML or a subfolder if you have it in a subdomain. Once in there, you want to click on WP Content. And first, I would recommend trying the plugins because most likely those are the ones that are the culprits. So basically all you want to do is just rename the plugins folder to plugins.deactivated. And once you do that, you want to go back to where you tried to log in, refresh. And as you can see, now it works. So as you saw, there's a couple of different options that you have to gain access back into your WordPress website. Obviously, deactivating themes or plugins can cause your website to crash or certain pages to not appear as you intended, but at least you'll have access to get back into the admin panel and make the changes that you need to fix the site. As always, if you found this video helpful, consider hitting that like button, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.